beauties, I'm back with my new tutorial after a long time. I was deactivated for some health issues. I hope you understand. This makeup is for Eid. As you can see, it's a simple makeup and wearable. I hope you all will like this tutorial. So let's start.
First thing I'm gonna do is priming. To prime my face, I'm using this foundation. The shade is 03 Natural Beige. Applying the foundation with a beauty blender. To bake my face, I'm using this powder. For blush, I'm using these two colors. Quickly, I'm gonna do my brows with this product. For highlighting my face, I'm using this MOA highlighter. Today I'm using Morphe palette for my eyes. From this Morphe palette, I'm using these two colors for my lid. Here I'm just blending the edges. I'm using this color from the same palette for my outer corner. For my lower line, using first two colors. Here I'm applying kajal from Pearl Fashion. I didn't show the product, I don't know why. I'm blending the kajal upwards. Apply some mascara. For my inner corner, I'm using the same highlighter. I'm using NYX matte lipstick for today's look. There, the look is complete.
That's enough for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked it, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share this tutorial as much as you can. I'll see you tomorrow. Be happy, be confident. Allah Hafiz.